Hello, in today's business world, it is quite important to follow business ethics. It helps companies to maintain harmonious relations with society, customers, employees, and the concerned industry sector. However, because of a lack of business ethics, companies are unable to operate properly in terms of honesty, transparency, and kindness. Business ethics are the set of rules that companies guide their employees about finance, negotiations, deals, corporate social responsibility, etc. Hello and welcome back to the new video by Mirror Review. In this video, we will be learning about the 4 reasons behind the importance of business ethics in today's world. First, to improve profitability. Business ethics cultivate trust to strengthen branding and sales, and well-implemented ethical programs can help reduce losses and earn more profits. Companies that practice questionable ethics also experience a decrease in stock prices and severed business partnerships. In addition, business ethics are linked to customer loyalty as well. According to a global study on occupational fraud and abuse, 3 in 10 USA consumers will express support for ethical companies on social media. Second, to aid in negotiations. If a company has a positive reputation in the market, it encourages other businesses to negotiate with it on different terms. A company is less likely prefers to crack a deal with one, which may not follow its promises made. It is important to follow the rules of business ethics for stronger and better negotiations in the future. Third, to set the tone of employee behavior. Companies that advocate better business ethics motivate their employees to perform their roles with integrity and perfection. Employees prefer working in a positive environment where they can excel according to their merits rather than favoritism. Companies with high ethical standards attract talented individuals, and these employees seem to stay loyal to the company for a long time. Fourth, to improve productivity. Amidst the growing competition in every business sector, it is becoming more important for any company to work efficiently and get the work done. Business ethics can play an important role in your organization to train employees in ethical decision-making and improve productivity. You can encourage your staff to work up to the mark and use their full potential with the help of ethical programs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, please subscribe to the YouTube channel of Mirror Review for more interesting stories.